bottles with Mentos.
Remember, when we put it in, you have to let it right go.
Wait, let's pop them in.
It's not going to work out.
Oh. Darn. Oh, we tried.
Do you need more Mentos?
Woo. Well, we have another pop can.
Well, no, we can just dump this out.
Sophia, do you have any more Mentos?
Should I just dump this out to get the Mentos out?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, keep the camera rolling, Sophia.
I am.
Really?
Okay, this time try to aim more for... You only put 3. Oh, no, you put another.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Try to aim more for the hole.
Here, 1 minute.
Well, thanks.
Yeah, just take off that thing so it's easier to pop them in. I'll hold it, you whip it off.
Did you already put those one in there?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work.
What do you think?
It's not gonna work.
Well,
You
we're
can't
having fun.
Okay, I'm just saying, you can't reuse them.
Watch us.
Well, that was kind of stupid. And that was exploding pop bottles with Mentos.